Hello guys, so welcome back to another session of Unity. I did spend 30 minutes just now trying to build my game as an Android game. Of course, of course it wouldn't work because we haven't implemented listeners to user input, but I guess I just wanted to try and learn how to build like APK files and then install them on my phone. So it took me 30 minutes because the build, like I didn't want to record it because it basically just it's just gonna be building, and that's boring. So that's why I didn't record it. But I did spend 30 minutes on it, and so the rest of the 30 minutes of this hour, I'm gonna be continuing on with the lecture. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Oh yeah, also, before I was using the notepad online, but I realized um, how inefficient it is. So I'm gonna start using Notion to kind of jot down my ideas, and then copy it to Trello once I have all my ideas out. If that makes sense. All right. Well, anyways,
Welcome to the next section of the course. This section is called Glitch Guide.
Oh, is this an Android game? Oh, that's cool. Then we're actually gonna use it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hmm. Oh wow. That's why. I always was interested in how fighting games work. So is that waves? I'm guessing. All right. Cool. 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 Alright, so for sprites, we could probably just use his. Oh, wait, what? Oh, sorry. Wait, what? Didn't have it. Oh, it's right here. Which games? We can use that, or we can go to sprite resource. The thing is, though, you can't really use these for commercial, but you can still use it for like your own purposes. So how about actually using plants versus zombies sprites? I think they should be here. Yeah. So if we look at here, just download the sheet. Just quickly look at it. So we have an idle shoot. Oh, that's actually perfect. But how am I going to use this? Since need credit. Oh, so we need credit in order for us to use it? Is that how it works? I don't know how it does. Rip. I'm not sure how to do this. That's the only issue. Let me look at how these sprites look like. No, that's not it. I only get this. What the heck? Did I download the right one? What the? Oh, that's for a splash screen. My bad. It's Google Slide. You don't get anything here. I'm guessing it's from. Iron Code game released in the public. That's pretty cool. Downloads, all sprite sheets. 378 megabytes. Dang. These are pretty cool art. No. Dang. Yeah, because I was trying to see how, you know, he reads off the sprite sheet, because maybe I can find one. How about let's make it Pokemon based? There has to be one where like it's Pikachu. You can use Pikachu for the because it should be an idle. This is the overworld. We have battle. Then we have hurt. So we need it needs to be facing the other way, but then he needs to shoot out projectile. Pikachu menu. No, I guess there isn't really a good spreadsheet. Wait, what? I wonder what. You know, for the time being, since I'm not entirely sure I'm just gonna go with what he has, unfortunately, because I feel like this one is very specific, and trying to find these animations might be difficult. So I'm gonna I'm just gonna wait for a bit until I see how his sheets look like, and then probably look for a sheet similar to his, or how he deals with sheets. It's actually pretty nice. Yeah. Hmm. — 2019. He didn't though. He only gave us the sprite sheet, not the. I mean, not spreadsheet, the splash screen. Still loading, so I can't really post it. Alright, so we got the images, right? Let's first make this full screen. Um, see this. So we're gonna call this the splash screen. Then we're gonna go File, New Scene, 2D. Alright, well, I didn't create a new scene, but we can just create one here. We call it Start Scene. Alright, so we have two scenes like he said. Then we're gonna go here, create folder, and he called it sprites or images? Images. And I think he renamed it for us. No, he didn't. Thought he would. This is the splash screen image. And then this is the start scene image. Alright, cool. Image. So we go to the splash screen, which we're already at. Create a canvas. Yeah. Oh, I noticed how the event system was automatically made. So then here we have to make it, of course, scale with screen size. 1920 by 1080. Yeah, I guess that'll be good. And then we're going to create. No. We create an image. Call this the splash image. And then, wait, didn't we say it was an image? Oh, right. Let me create a prefab folder as well. And then just drag and drop the canvas. So what he did is oh, wait. Whoa, why is it so... Oh, that's why. I was looking at the canvas. All right, because we downloaded a 1920 by 1080 image, so when we have our canvas scaled up to 1920 by 1080, it should match accordingly. But I wonder why it doesn't. It's like the stops are here. I think I'm just gonna leave it as glitch. I thought this was a splash screen. Alright, if we are gonna add loading, then you know what, no, I don't think loading is necessary. Hmm. So yeah, what got me thinking, because like it says loading, but it's not actually loading anything. It's just a splash screen. It made me, because recently I've been kind of learning about threading and stuff, and I was wondering, how does loading actually work? Like, how does you know, y- so what I'm thinking based off what I've read so far is that there's going to be two threads, which a thread means basically like its own process. So it's, I guess that's the best way I can say it. Because I'm still learning it and I don't know how to not dumb it down, but I don't know how to explain it like simply, I guess. But essentially, how I see it now is that you have two threads. This is just I think a very general example, but you have two threads, and we have one thread that has that loads the image of the loading image, and then there's another thread that's actually trying to execute or download or whatever, run the assets needed to load the game, and that'll be in its own thread. And they could be regular threads or daemon threads. And daemon threads are very light use, which means that because usually I think threads work like this. They have to complete their thread before they can exit. Or, sorry, my bad. If the main thread would need to wait for those threads to finish before leaving. And for daemon threads, that isn't the case. Once the main thread ends, the daemon thread ends as well. So, and there's also this join. I don't know if it's only for Python, because that's how I'm learning threading at the moment. Um, I'm not. There's this method called join, which makes the threads wait for each other. So what I'm thinking is that the thread that has that's loading the image in front of our screen is waiting to join with the thread that's loading up the assets. So basically, the join or um, the loading image thread won't end until the other thread ends, which means by the time the other thread ends, it means everything is loaded, so that way the game can load. And that's actually how loading works, I think. So we just have two different threads, one for loading the image, just to give the user some, I guess, some confidence that the game is running. And then the other thread is actually loading the assets, the scripts, the music, everything, basically building up the game, building the game, and the other thread is just loading the image. I just thought it was pretty neat, because I just recently learned that, and I'm like, wow, that's actually pretty interesting. Like, if I can, if that's actually true or not. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Let's see their music. I'll let you guys hear it too, I guess. But he chose, I think his was theme tracks, right? And then the one he chose was the level up kazoo. I can't find it here. Is it here? No. What? Oh, it's loading. Well, I don't know what's happening, but it's already 30 minutes, so I'm gonna end it here for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.